Wawi. Ano nakikinig? Okay. So this is, ganito yung ginagawa nila. So umaga pagising nila. They're 100% farmers na. So ang ginagawa nila, nagdidilig sila pagising nila. What time do you normally eat?
5, 6. 7 sleep na. I slept too much.
So, ano yung buhay ni Jun? Buhay, Wawi, ganun ka rin mga oras yun. Tapos, pagkatapos nun magdilig, pinag-aaralan nila. 2 oras. Ano yung ginagawa nilang tama, ano yung ginagawa nilang mali?
Ano ba pwedeng itagtag? Bakit namamatay ito? At may blueberry.
Blueberry?
Paano yung sistema, paano ipaikot. Nangyari, kumuha kami ng uot para may vermicast para mas mataba yung lupa namin. Tapos yung sa seedling.
And then, this is about mango.
Hi, this is Farming with Tyron and Karen.
Hi, good evening. This is Farming with Tyron and Karen.
Hello.
I'm with Karen. Emilio.
Hi guys.
Luis. Si... si Jun, our farm manager. Wawi and si Tupac. Eh, tara nandun si Dante. Tsaka si Crizzy. Dante, bati ka dito. Ito mo. Please. Batiin mo yung mga tiga Teresa.
Magandang gabi sa mga tiga Teresa.
Ay, kasandali. Kung hindi. Baka magalit yung mga iba subscriber natin, baka mapuwasan. Hindi natin mo yung tiga Teresa, ba't hindi mo na rin yung tiga Barat?
Magandang gabi sa mga tiga Barat.
Murong.
Magandang gabi po. Batangas, magandang gabi
Hindi.
po. Tanay. Ano kuya?
Tanay. Ano yung tiga Tanay?
Pinilya.
Oh.
Tama na.
Hindi. Baka may magalit sa atin. Paano yung mga tiga Antipolo?
Magandang gabi sa mga tiga Antipolo po. Okay na.
Ano pa, Wawi?
Okay na kuya. Tama na.
Okay. So, sorry to so, we're with Emilio and Luis. So, they're farmers, sometimes farmers. Minsan farmer, minsan surfer. Minsan farmer, minsan swimmer. So, that's the beauty about farming now. And the great thing about it is yung mga young people. You know that the average age of farmers now is 57. So the country welcomes young farmers like that. So ang ano nila is sa ngayon nag-start sila ng mango. So can you talk about the mango?
Okay. So yung mango orchard namin, tinanim yun ng great lolo ko nung araw. 50 years ago pa yun. Kinuha niya lang yung mango seeds sa ice cream factory na libre. Kala niya mababasura. Tapos tinanim niya para sa future generations, which is ngayon ako na. So nung pumasok ako sa farm, I saw wow, may mature trees na. So wala pa akong pera. So I went to my friends, sila Louie, my other friends, para humingi ng funds. Parang, this is how much we need to spray, this is how much we can make. Projections lang, of course. And then si Louie, I was inviting him. Sabi ko, bro, kailan ka punta dito? Oh, sige, I'll go. Tapos when he went there, di na siya umalis. Naging roomies na kami. And then, now we pretty much live there full time.
What do you used to do, Louis?
Real estate.
Real
Okay.
estate.
Real estate and
Crypto trade. Crypto din.
Aha.
Just learning about crypto.
Future.
Parang farming, minsan
Yeah.
panalo, minsan talo.
Sa inyo, ito mga farmers, ang ibig sabihin ng crypto, it's a cryptocurrency. So, yung cryptocurrency, yun yung parang pera na, you know, yung crypto. Ibig sabihin, how do you, can you online, or how do you explain what's
Parang
crypto money?
ibang currency, may peso, may dollar, ganun lang siya. Pero
Pera ng internet.
pera ng internet.
Pera ng
kumbaga.
internet. Marami din yumaman dyan. Especially the first, yung nag-una. Dahil dati mga nasa ano lang yan eh. Mga-
0.004
Yeah, tapos biglang
cents.
ang isang crypto naging $2,000, $5,000, $15,000. It reached like up to
67,000
67.
per coin.
per coin. Ibig sabihin isang piso.
67,000.
Okay, so ang ano dyan is, it's, you know, there are a lot of check, right? Internet yan, marami nang hirap. So, meron yung ups and downs, you know?
Gcash.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's electronic cash.
Yeah.
Yeah, electronic cash. So, hindi mo alam biglang ano mangyayari. So, it's very interesting, no? And then all of a sudden, you're from crypto, like, from so far from,
I still do.
you're probably the last person who we're going to find.
I still do trades in the farm.
Yeah, yeah.
No, because when night comes, can't farm anymore. So I switch on to the computer. I do both.
You know I clap because you are the modern day Tyrone.
Actually.
So that's the good thing about the young people. Like I can say that you're the young Tyrone because
Baby time.
I don't sleep. You know, I work.
Yeah.
Like I cannot, hindi ako makatulog, hindi ako makahanggat, hindi ko naiintindihan bakit hindi kami makaharvest ng ganitong karaming net, hindi kami makaharvest ng ganito, bakit
Yeah.
ganito. So, I will continuously study.
Like a machine.
We usually do that after when we wake up. We water the plants, check on the everything,
Plan
and
for
then
the-
check on the seedlings. And then it's time to we'll have 2 hours of studying in the morning. Then prepare some coffee, some lunch with the boys, and then go back from the other side of the farm, go back to study, get our exercise in, and then we just
Oh, he's
do.
so tired. Tired.
Yeah.
Tupak, excuse me, Tupak. Can you check kung naririnig? I-pause on ano mo, please. Para, I just want to make sure that kung hindi, just use my other phone. Okay. Tingnan mo kung naririnig kasi it's important because it's a very big difference.
Shit.
Shit. Naman.
Yeah, the volume is actually,
It's good.
you know, kasi wala tayong yung na-prem and everything. But, yeah, it's amazing. Alam mo, Jun, yung gusto nila sabihin, yung sinasabi nila, Jun, Huawei, ano nakikinig. Okay, so this is, ganito yung ginagawa nila. So, umaga, pag-gising nila, they're 100% farmers na. So, ang ginagawa nila, nagdidilig sila pag-gising nila. What time you normally eat nila?
5, 6,
Tapos,
7 sleep na. Yeah, I slept too much.
So, ano yung buhay ni Jun? Buhay, Huawei, ganun ka rin mga oras ini. Tapos, pagkatapos nun magdilig, pinag-aaralan nila. 2 oras. Ano yung ginagawa nilang tama, ano yung ginagawa nilang mali?
Ano ba pwedeng itagdag?
Bakit namamatay ito? At may blueberry.
Blueberry?
Paano yung sistema, paano ipaikot. Nangyari, kumuha kami ng uod para may vermicast para mas mataba yung lupa namin. Tapos yung sa seedlings.
And then, this is about mango.
Ah,
Sa tabi ng mango farm.
Because the mangoes are done na eh. Like, we just checked them. So, now,
Sinusubukan namin tumubo ng mga iba-iba pang mga halaman.
Katulad na.
sile, sitaw, okra, dragon fruit.
Pero kasi ano eh, there are things na yung for intercropping, meron nagmamatch, meron hindi. So, isa sa sinabi niyo yung sitaw is good because it provides nitrogen. Yung pag ginano mo, and then siguro what can help your ano pa is yung cover crop na mani-mani. So that will help peanut grass.
For the soil cover, nag-mulch kami.
Chips.
Chips.
Wood chips. Where do you get your chips from?
We have a wood chipper. So, yung mga pinuputol natin, we just like throw it
So,
in.
who? Meron kayo machine?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing!
Isa yung gamitin.
Ano, Wawi? Anong gagawin natin? Si Wawi magdidesisyon eh. Ano, suko na, laban, o ano? Laban o Wawi? Daan lang.
Daan lang yun.
Pero mamaya million yan.
Nawala na yung buwan eh.
Binati niya yan eh. Dante.
Ay, nagagalit na siya si Dante. Siya yung tigabati namin dito eh.
Kinakailangan ng akin niya po.
Yeah, basically we're planting paunti-unti lang. So when we're not doing anything, I'm like, why not? Grow Friday and stuff na paunti-unti. And then perfecting
Sorry ah. Let's move. Ano tayo?
perfecting our systems.
Oh, you, ano,
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, this is very different from the last time we met.
Wala, I threw myself in the
That's awesome.
into it na talaga. Yeah.
Mo yun, at a certain level na hindi siya sobrang durog na durog enough.
Yeah.
So, di ba, merong mga agriculturist na sinabi, hindi siya meeting yan. And then biglang pumangit yung seedlings namin. So, nung bumalik tayo, there was a time that we were really, really good in seedlings. Ngayon, kamusta na tayo dun?
Nakita ko yung sigling ko.
Okay. Dati kasi yung ano namin, yung talaga yung ugat. Grabe. Pero syempre, meron pa kaming biniling malaking ano, yung kung gagamit ka ng soil, meron kaming malaking alyase. So, kailangan sunugin mo yung ano isisingag mo yung
Yung soil.
soil.
For the bacteria.
Bacteria ano, kasi meron minsan mga ano yun mga soil-borne diseases eh. So that's why we don't use soil. Kaya kami we have a lot of yung vermicast.
Yeah.
Kasi we save a lot of money, 500, 600, 700 pesos per ano. So kami, tapos kaya kami maraming horses, yun ang ginagamit namin.
You feed to the worms.
The-
Tae.
And then also the horse poop mismo, right?
No, but syempre, nandito na yung mga ano namin, nandiyan na yung mga African night crawlers namin. Might as well kasi
They make it.
pellets na yan eh.
Yeah.
Like, the beautiful thing about vermicast, kahit sumobra ka, wala kang problema. Unlike, for example, gumamit ka ng mga triple yung
Nitrates.
Yeah.
complete, yung mga ganyan, like,
The white pellets.
so,
What's the one that you're looking at for the bamboo seeds? Cocoa.
Cocoa peat.
okay. Yeah, yun ang ginagamit namin sa ano.
That's good.
Yan ang ginagamit namin sa ano. Kaya lang yan, tinitreat yan ha. Kailangan yan na hindi, ha? Yung sa lettuce natin, yung kokopit natin, ano na yung cured na yun, galing kila ano yun, galing sa DNR, yung Medro.
With the bamboo seeds, we use used vermicast?
Didn't sprout.
We'll find out in 2 days.
We're trying to grow yung Chinese.
Giant bamboo.
Yung ano,
The
yung
poles are,
hindi naman
Ginagamit natin po sa
tinikan.
the poles are
Hindi
like this
po.
big.
Hindi, yun yung kanila giant.
yung pong ginagamit po natin sir, nalaki po ng gusto yun.
Yun
Yung ginagamit sa
namin
pambangka.
Tsaka buhay ano atin eh. No? Buhay no?
Hmm.
Diba nag-ano tayo, yung tinutugmo pa.
Hmm.
Kasi yun ang, kahit yung mga bakod namin, ginagamit yun, sila. Si Huawei, umikot ka dito, umikot ka saan dito, tanongin mo kung anong klaseng puno yung kahit sabihin eh, ay anong puno yan Huawei, may ilaw dyan.
Ito po
Oo.
kawidalaga po yan.
Ito yung nandito.
Ayun po laniti po yun.
Lanete. Saan ginagamit ang lanete?
Sa dawil po sir.
Dowel. Yun lang yung mga...
What's dowel?
Dowel yung, ano ba?
Yung bilog, ginagawang
Because it's
Like a
Pinapasok
handle
po
for
sa
a
machine.
brush.
sa machine. Di ba? Yung pang ganyan, yung pang... Yung nakita mo, di ba? Yung...
It's pick up.
Very
mga
sturdy.
ganong stick na ano.
Nakita mo yung pang... Yung
Okay.
Kaya ang dami namin dito, ang dami bumibili sa Ate Huawei. We don't wanna sell it.
Yeah.
So, lahat yan. Ito, yung kabila, syempre, ito, ano to, Palakata, which we have a lot. Ang maganda dito sa Palakata, yan ang bahay ng ano eh, ng
Fireflies.
fireflies, at saka ng yung mga magagandang klaseng ibon. Naubos lang yun dahil sa ano eh, no? Yung dahon.
Naglalagas po talaga ito. Tapos ipapalit siya ng bago.
Dami namin siglits yan. Mga ilang siglits natin, may 1,000, no?
Mahigit po yun sir. Yung natin.
We have a lot.
Yeah.
Tsaka maganda dyan, ang bilis lumaki.
This one.
Yeah.
Like, how fast is fast?
Gaano kalaki yung maging ano yan, 20 feet? Mga 1 year?
Wow.
2 years?
Yung mga 2 years yan.
Even 10 feet in 1 year is really good. Oh.
Parang mahogany. Kaya lang mahogany is ano, mahogany is a bad.
Oo na
siya.
Oo na.
Pag ito binunod, pakita mo. Sa akin eh.
What's bad about mahogany?
It sort of doesn't, because it's not native to here, so there's nothing here that will really thrive on it or around it, because it's not native to the Philippines. Yeah, so I mean, like, it's okay if you're gonna use it for furniture,
Ano to pa?
but not yeah, like yeah.
Okay, ang problem with mahogany is malakas yung pumatay na katabi ng puno na Huawei. Ano pa mga problema sa
Sa mahogany
It's a
po.
pest.
It is
Yeah.
invasive.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not only na hindi siya native dito, but it's invasive. Pag itinayo mo na yan dyan, wala nang ibang tutubo dyan. Tama ba?
Tama po.
Anong experience mo? Kasi yung sa pinsan ko dito, suppose mahogany, ano eh, mahogany,
Hmm.
diba?
Katulad kaya ba diya, puro mahogany na wala na yung mga natural ka na puno. Namamatay.
They kill yung mga native. Because ang lakas ng sumipsip ng
Tubig.
tubig. So, naglagay kami dito ng mahogany. Hindi namin pa alam. Mga 200, no? Yung sa perimeter. Kaya lang, nasa sapa naman siya.
Okay.
So,
Bapod.
sa yung sapa, tinatapunan nila lang.
Basura.
So, yun. So, kailangan ano rin, like, dito kapitbahay natin, agarwood.
Agar.
Huh?
Isn't that,
Talaga?
they have the permits? Really?
Dami dyan. Daming agar.
Hold on, why is everybody freaking out?
That's super
Agarwood,
expensive.
it's
Kasi kailangan mo ng permit sa DNR.
Yeah.
Oh really?
It's like 2% of rainforest have it. Stuff like this.
They make it.
And then per kilo, it's about crazy. Like someone went to jail 2 years ago for 16 kilos of agarwood
Yeah.
because they were trying to export it to like
Dubai.
Dubai, UAE.
They like the smell, they make it perfume.
And then that 16 kilos was valued at 29 million pesos.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mas malupit ang white lawaan na isa sa...
They went to jail for 12 years.
Daig pa yung marijuana.
Nilipat po pala sir yung ano, yung nursery nila
Low
na
risk
ano,
like fire.
Ano?
nilipat po.
Marijuana?
Pinalipat daw po nung ano, may nag-suggest daw po na wag tayo sa harap. Nandun na po sir sa taas yung kanilang ano eh, yung...
Bakit daw? Bakit daw? Baka manakaw?
Hindi po. Dapat daw hindi nasa front yung ano, yung nursery sabi nung ano. Dapat malayo daw sa ano, sa nakikita ng mga tao.
Yung narinig, baka narinig doon sa vlog natin. Kunin mo ng konti yung...
Yung pupunta na ako.
Sabi ko kasi bago si Dante. O Dante, yung lupa na yan, kasama pa rin sa lupa natin yan. So, kumuha ka ng mga 10. Siguro na nanonood siguro ng vlog natin. Kaya nilipat ulit na sa taas.
Nandun po sa taasan, laki po pala sa tao doon.
So, doon malapit na sa back. Ni atin yan, di atin yan. Hindi, ito kasama namin, kalamansi yan. Kunin mo nga yung mga kalamansi.
Malalaki na yung ano nila.
Hindi bago.
Bagong tanim po. Sir.
Galing ha?
But it's not, is it also invasive?
Well, I really don't know about yung white lawaan, pwede ka rin kumita ng magandang pera dyan. Maybe I've not really studied about that. Pero, kasi ako pagka hindi ko alam, I won't even say anything about it kasi
Self-sabotage.
yeah, you know, like so, but I like it. I heard that it's good, ganyan. So, pero wala siya sa priority ko na pag-aralan, you know, like kasi sa akin farming is for me, you have to really love it. You know, hindi ka pwedeng hindi pwedeng sabihin mo na shit, I'm a farmer. I have 17 million pesos, I have 15 million, 10 million pesos, I have 20 million pesos. Gagawin ko dyan. And then, yan yung mga downfall eh. So what I like about what you guys are doing is total immersion kayo eh. Yeah. That's admirable. You know? So, cheers to that.
Cheers. Wow. Sarap din ang buhay doon eh. Kasi may... Kahit walang internet. I had to buy a second cell phone, then put a smart SIM in it. Then that's what you load it, and then you just hotspot the house.
For the network that works.
Yeah. Although, what if you call Elon Musk? Starlink
Starlink.
is here.
Oh, yung friend ng dad mo is
Skytel.
yeah, sila rin eh. Anthony Almeida, sila Bong Carrillo, ang mga kasamahan nila sa Sports Car Club of the Philippines.
Really?
They're the ones who
I
brought
didn't even
Starlink
know
here.
They're the ones who brought it here.
Oh,
Si si Big Boy.
Oh,
yung anak ni Henry C.
Yeah.
And yun yung mga kasamahan nila. So, yan. Yung mga friends ng dad mo. So, I think 60,000 pesos.
30,000 for
Yeah.
hardware, and then monthly is 2.7. Because parang that satellite has
Satellite,
to be
yeah.
pointing at the satellite.
But imagine if the whole farm has net. Diba? Wild.
Pag meron ka net, pwede ka na mag-smart farming. And you can go to Amazon. You know, smart farming dito, merong malupit na smart. You know what? One of the biggest na client ng Amazon ng smart farming is in Laguna.
So when you say Amazon, like, and what do you mean Amazon?
And smart finance.
Like Jeff Bezos, Amazon?
Yeah, Jeff Bezos.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ang smart farming is, every system that you have has Bluetooth. So lahat ng ginagamit mo, yung drip irrigation mo and everything. So you record it. Actually, we have, I have, pero hindi pa kami, like, Yara has. So like this one, I can monitor the weather, I can monitor the, through my app. Yara yun, Yara.
You guys would be able to set timers for watering.
We were just thinking about CCTV.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, okay.
But watering
Well, that's good
is
too. Yeah, or like if you have like your fertilizer, that can also be timed. There's a lot of things that
Yeah.
you could do with smart farming.
Yeah, so a friend of mine used to work with Amazon, right? Kailangan mong gawin ito, kailangan mong gawin yan. Okay, so para sa akin, ang importante muna sa akin is the people. No matter what you do, like, ito it's given. Pag gusto kang lokohin ng tao, kaya kang lokohin. No matter what business, no matter what. Kung gusto kang lokohin ng tao, lolokohin ka ng tao. So I really think you have to go old school first,
Yeah.
then you go to
Innovate na lahat. I think that's what we're doing. We're learning all the traditions.
At saka you're there. I mean, you're there. Doon kayo nakatira sa farm nyo eh.
That's so major that you guys are so involved.
Yes, especially with the two guys who are helping us out in the farm, Jonathan and JR. We were.
Anong pangalan Jay? Baka tingin mas bati yan.
No, they're both
Nueva.
from
Patanggal nyo kaagad dun.
Yeah, they're actually really good. Yeah, so what
They're the
happened?
ones who taught me how to like germinate, mga ganyan.
Anong nila? Anong background nila?
I asked them why they're in Bolinao because I was like, don't you have farms in Nueva Ecija?
Oh.
He said, yeah, they do rice farming. And then they actually got phased out of work because all the rice farmers, the major ones,
Meron
started
harvester na.
automation.
Harvester, meron na silang
No, even like
dryer.
the crop duster, like the own, and then even the seedlings, this is machine,
Yeah.
so the harvester. So they move areas. So now every time we're studying, we encourage them to study as well.
Yeah,
So
para...
they join you guys.
Yeah.
Or sanda parang panoorin mo to. Baka pwede natin itong gawin.
So if we introduce like machines to the farm, like you better study this machine.
That's what we enjoy is doing the research, the experimentation. But sometimes we have too many things to do. And we encourage them to also baka may ibang paraan. Even with the chemicals we're using now for the mangoes, when after seeing it, I daming pesticide, parang
Oh my
ako
God.
na kumain ng mangga. So I was thinking like, just to test after harvest and everything, I'll try to make my own foliar. Kunwari, I was watching this guy on YouTube, parang used mga dead leaves, tapos molasses. I don't know how cost efficient it is, but I'll try it on like
Ang
5
pinaka basic niyan is yung number one, tupak as tupak. Paano ka magagawa ng foliar yung FFJ?
Yung saging.
Ano?
Sa saging.
Tapos,
Yung mani-mani.
okay.
Ay, kakuha.
Hindi, FFJ. FPJ yung sinasabi mo. Hindi, FPJ kasi is fermented plant juice.
okay.
So, yung FFJ, fermented fruit juice.
Yung mga saging.
Saging.
Tapos,
Yung mga papaya.
tapos,
Yung mga kalabas.
tapos lalagyan mo ng
Molasses.
ilang porsyento yung molasses. Normally 30, 40 yan. 30, Hindi, 40, 60, ganun. But more or less, you get the, kasi,
Like, the 40, sorry, the 40% is like kilo? Like,
whatever, yung kung anong measurement mo. Ano naman yan, that's the beautiful thing about organic. People will say, ganitong grams yan, ganito yan, but one of the reason why yung kung makita mo yung complete fertilizer is 14, 14, 14,
Yeah.
060. Organic fertilizers cannot go above 8 or 6. So pag nakita mo yung vermicast, 3% nitrogen, 2% ganito, because, and then, kahit sumobra ka, it doesn't matter. Pero pag halimbawa, nag-urea ka, yung todong nitrogen, kasi yun ang kailangan mong pampaboost.
Yeah.
Pag sumobra ka nun, mamamatay yung halaman mo. Diba, Jun? So, you have to be, kaya kami, majority, like 90% kami is organic. Kami lang gumagawa ng fertilizer namin. So, hindi, yung yield namin is not as much as, as the others, but, hey, yung stainless bees namin are very happy.
Yeah.
Ilang milyon na kaya ang stainless bees natin dito, Bawi? Ha?
Marami na po.
Before dito, bago kami mag-start, naglagay na kami ng mga colonies ng our natural pollinators. So, halimbawa, sa mango yung yun yung mga those are the things that you can do as opposed to yung talagang todo spray. Pag tumodo spray na, okay. So, okay lang kung gagamitin mo yun sa yung mango na dried mangoes, maybe pinaprocess mo. But, that's why, ang belief ko, there are people na dumadama yung sakit dito sa spray. So kami,
Yeah.
we as
Kala nila
much as
healthy.
possible, we try to. Ang namin, ang balance namin dito yung pag mamamatay na yung mga namin, yung pag mababawasan yung mga singles namin, that's a sign na, oh my, maybe yung kapitbahay namin, gumagamit ng ganito.
What about for pesticide na organic? Like, do you think it's
Tupak. Ano yung ginagamit natin sa organic pesticide? Hindi. Bukod sa kalpo, sa fungus yun eh. But yung yung ginagamit natin sa pesticide para yung sa mga
peste.
yung sili,
Sili yan. Saka yung sibuyas. Sa bawang. Sa dishwashing.
Tapos,
right?
dishwashing and then oil.
Hindi ka.
Pero dinadagdagan namin, we have now neem tree eh. So yung neem oil.
Neem oils.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero hindi masyadong yun eh. That's the emulsifier there, yung kailangan yan, di ba? Parang hot sauce. Pag gumamit ka ng hot sauce, pag hindi mo ginamitan ng emulsifier yan, meron niyang
May latak.
sa taas yung una dyan.
Parang latak.
Yung may so yung soap, yung dishwashing soap,
Dishwashing liquid. Kaya mo yan.
naawa tuloy ako. Kanina ko pa kinukulit sa tuba. na tongue twister ako So, yun yung emulsifier mo. Like, okay, so yung chili, yung sibuyas, kasi ayaw nila ng amoy niya.
Sibuyas pala.
Acidic smelling stuff.
Garlic din.
Basta sili, importante sili. Tapos, kailangan yung, para, halimbawa, pag umulan, hindi matatanggal yan. Kailangan mo ng mantika.
Para kumapit.
Yeah. Pero yung soap mo, hindi dapat yan bleach, wala. Dapat yung, lang.
It's like joy.
Yeah. Okay. Kasi, yung bleach, papatayin na lahat yung, yung good bacteria.
Yeah.
So, yun yung ginagamit namin. Pero, sometimes, kung kailangan, gumagamit kami yung mga. Hindi namin masolve yung whitefly.
Yeah.
So, tanong kami ngayon sa agronomist na namin, okay, so you have to do this. Pero, ang magandang example dito si Huawei sa kalamansi namin. So, kaya tayo ng baking soda, Acapulco. Saka yung ano. Basta si, ano, yan, tomorrow, makikita mo yung kalamansi noon at kalamansi ngayon.
Yeah. Can I see the break? Gagawa ba sila bukas na ano? Pesticide,
Sorry, pwede.
Tsaka I'm sure it's cost efficient for you guys to do that because you guys grow a lot of chilies na in the first place.
Yeah, tsaka ang pinakamaganda kasi sa amin, before, like yung binagyo kami, 4 na buwan kaming walang harvest, walang kita yung farm.
Yeah.
So, bawas yung gastos namin sa pesticide, sa
Okay.
fertilizer, kasi ginagamit lang namin vermicide.
Yeah.
Tapos yung FFJ. You know, sometimes maybe people will think that these people are stupid. Because shit, kung sprayan namin ng sprayan yan, we're gonna get harvest. Ang problem is, every time, meron yan meron pros and cons Like, okay, yung organic fertilizers like FFJ, FPJ, yung mga fermented plant juice, yung mga ano, ang pinatataba mo dyan yung lupa. Once you use yung chemical fertilizers, yung triple 14, yung urea, diretso yan sa plant. Kaya ang ganda ng plant mo. Pero that one, it will make your soil acidic. Unless, okay, so double ka. Halimbawa, so gumagamit ka nun, lagay ka ng yung carbonized rice sand, lagay ka ng ganito, para yung lupa mo okay. Like for example, yung soil namin, pwede kami mag 2 seasons ng ng sili. Pero yung mga gamit na lupa na, hindi nila pwede gamitin. So, after the sili, kailangan gamitin nila, sunod nila yung sitaw, yung mga beans para yung nitrogen. Kaya yun yung maganda doon sa lupa. So, there's really no shortcuts of farming. Should be possible. But I'm not saying na, di ba, farming ka kayo. And then, sabihin mo na kaagad, yeah. Pero kung culture ka, ganito to. You have to start somewhere. And then become, kasi at some point, nung una, madami din tayo. But there are ways. There are ways na find your thing. Like, I would even say,